Well, Sunday 28th of December, and this is one of my two air pumps. Now, as the temperature gets down closer and closer to -1, today it's a nice 3.5. The pond's doing well, but I am now going to do my usual thing which I do at this time of year, which is to strip the air pump. I'll take the air pump lid off and I'll open the diaphragms inside, and I will coat the diaphragms with olive oil. Now, why coat the diaphragms with olive oil? Well, the diaphragms are mainly made of rubber, and the olive oil keeps them soft. It stops them from cracking or going hard. So it saves you quite a lot of money over the years. This pump here has been going for about 6 years, and it's never had the diaphragms on it changed, because I look after it. I make sure all the rubbers inside are coated in cooking oil, virgin olive oil, whatever you want to use, and it keeps them nice and supple. I'll also do the rubber legs, and I'll also cover the little pipe on the end, which is again rubber. I'll give that a coat as well. What it does basically is makes the rubber a little bit more supple, stops it from freezing, and makes it so you don't have to renew anything inside. As with my pipes outside, all the pipes that go to the pond, I will cover in petroleum jelly. The petroleum jelly will cover the pipes and stop them from freezing, and it will also protect them against the really bad weather, and will stop them from cracking, so you don't have any problems with the rubbers outside to your pond in the winter. Just a few minutes of coating them with petroleum jelly will save you hours of having to disassemble and replace them. I do the same with my air pump, with my UVC, and I do it with all the connections to the filter system. It costs virtually nothing to do, and it's just your time, a few minutes, and it saves you pounds in the long run. Anyway, from a nice cold freezing north, hope you're all having a nice day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Please subscribe. Take care.